Okay, so I'm gonna say that the earliest memories that I remember, I can actually remember, are from this house, this very house. So I used to sleep with her in her room because I was too scared to sleep alone. And each night I would like force her to, pillow fight with me and shit because I had fun. But then she never wanted me to. So she'd always make me do like stupid shit so that I would, so that she would like actually pillow fight with me. So one day she made me do like 10 uthak baithaks, and it was stuff like that. She always used to bully me. One time I'll tell you, she took me to the barber, and my mom said, "Go get Kush a haircut." And she told the barber, "Isko ganja kar do." So I was bald, and it's all from this house basically. The earliest memories. Usse pehle I don't remember much.
Any other funny incident like that, whatever you just remember?
I think Anuja and I are very close in terms of the food and our movies. Like, the fondest memory of mine with Anuja is that we always made sure that we watched most of the Marvel movies together. And she has been my partner in anything whenever we order food. I know that I can ask Anuja and she will always say yes. Like, Kush, I am with you. You want to order anything? I'm there. I'll also have with you. So she's just like my partner in crime at home. And I just love her for it. Like, I know that there's someone I can bank on, I can talk to about anything.
How is she like as a person?
She's very smart. Anuja is a very smart girl. And I think her whole path from NLU to Stanford shows how smart she is. And she handles her stuff as well. I mean, I don't think like if I had to trust someone, I would trust Anuja with some important secret, some top secret CIA level stuff. I would trust Anuja because I know she'd be there to give me the best advice. Because over quarantine, I was going through some stuff, some tough stuff, and I talked to Anuja, and she told me how to get through it, and she got me through it. So, I mean, I just know that she's very smart and she gives the best advice, unless she's drunk. So then I don't know. To be honest, I haven't seen her very drunk because she's very like. I mean, she doesn't get drunk that often 'cause she doesn't get alcohol. But she's taken a lot of advantage of me when I'm drunk. So during her engagement party, I was gone. Okay, so Viditi and Anuja especially, they're like, "Kush, can you get me water?" And I was like, "Yes, I will get you water." Even though I couldn't walk, I was crawling and crawling, and they were making videos of me. They didn't even want water. They're just like, "हाँ ठीक है, कुछ से entertainment लेते हैं." So they bully me like this.
How many times they bully you? Like, which days, how is it like?
I think we're just busy right now, but whenever they get the chance, they will make fun of me. Whenever they get the chance, they will make fun of me in a public setting. So I'm just waiting for something to happen. It's happened like 2-3 times. I'm not gonna get into the details because it's very embarrassing for me, but it's gonna happen again soon. I know.
Embarrassing things for Anuja. Which happened,
Um,
which you have seen. Now's your time.
Not really. I swear, like I haven't. She just came back home, and we've been apart for a year. I don't really remember that much, that many embarrassing things. So, yeah.
When she was leaving for States, how?
I was in school, so she left for the States when I was in school, and yeah, I mean, it was quite like bittersweet because she was going to Stanford, but yeah, I couldn't meet her.
Did you miss her that?
Oh yes, definitely. Like after she left, it was just me with my parents. Before she was like when she was there, it was I could always go and chill with her, and I'd always have someone to just go and sit with at home. But after she left, it was just I used to come back home from school and
If you remember some good memories with her in this house, what are they?
In this house.
Yeah. Like you guys used to chill together.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you memories in general.
Okay, yeah, sure. I think it can be small things. It can be
It's big chill. I'm gonna look in the camera when I say it. Big chill. She introduced me to Big Chill, and oh my god, it's this huge part of our lives. And yeah, so I'm forever indebted to her for introducing me to Big Chill. Like very honestly.
meeting Ankit. What was the first
So okay, whenever Anuja and Vididi, whenever they make me meet their boyfriends or something, I never get to know that they're boyfriends. I always think they're theek hai, friends, but then because I'm stupid in that sense. But yeah, I think when I met Ankit, he was a pretty cool guy. We like became friends instantly, and we've been friends since then. I've hung out with him other than with Anuja also, and we just have a good time whenever we're together. So yeah, Ankit has just been a good friend to me. Just he's been an amazing person.
So what do you think, the quality match is good
With Anuja and Ankit,
what do they good with?
clarity or any differences?
I think they're both. As I said, Anuja is a very smart person, so she will choose the best for herself, and I know that for a fact. And Ankit is the best, and I'm really happy for them, as I said last night. And the similarities that I see in them is that they both know how to work well with each other. They can get through the toughest of times and come out stronger than ever. So it's just that like they can weather any storm. That's what I believe.
Whatever you feel like telling them.
Message for them. I'm just gonna say that I'm always here for you guys, and I love you, and I wish you all the best in life. You two totally deserve each other, and you are the best for each other. Go on and party hard, I guess. Yep.
Do you have any warnings for Ankit like this? Does he need to be aware of anything?
No, then why I don't want to warn him. I want him to figure it out himself. But no, I don't think there's something like that. But he'll figure it out if the opportunity arises. Are we good? Alright. See you guys.